Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. Chances are you saw our adorable stamp and die set from this month's club. It is the Peking Critters. But if you know me at all, you know I can never stop with just a 4x6 stamp set. So I went a little nuts, and I think this is the best one. I'm going to show you the stencil so you can see how amazing, awesome it is. So we have 5 critters total that are doing the Peking, which is so much fun. So yes, there is a stencil set that matches. So those of you that don't like to color, I got your back, okay? Sometimes we don't want to get out our beautiful pens. We just want to stencil and be done. So here you go. Here is the stencil. Keep in mind, my friends, stencils are limited time. Once they're gone, they're gone. So get it quick, right? Now, we've also, and this is actually, sent alt for the website. This is my sample set that I have. This is my personal one that I tested. So here's those 2 little guys. We have our little puppy, we have our little kitty cat, and we have 2 other talk bubbles. So here are the dies that match. Look at that. So this has 8 dies in it total. It looks like 4, but it's really 8. And we have some fun words like just a little note to say I'm thinking of you. Pausing, get it, paw. Pausing to say hi, meow. Let's pause, get it, pause, and celebrate. It's your birthday. We're rooting for you. You are meowvelous, get it, meow. Just peeking in to say hi, hi. We are missing you. Stay positive. Peeking into potty. It sounds like potty, but it's potty. Oh my goodness. Okay, you got to read it. Woof. And then the 2 talk bubbles. So now available on the website, the first 24 hours, they are on the website. Ding, 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 flash sale. But everyday low prices. Also, club members, no matter what, every day you get your club discount. So we have the stamps that coordinate with the club stamps, dies that coordinate with those, the stencils, which are pretty much a must-have, right? You just kind of like have to have those. And then I had so much fun designing this card base, because when I was thinking about the Peking Critters and how I wanted to peek, and when you could use the window die, you can use all our grid dies, all of those fun things, I thought I want a stand-up that they can peek off of. So that's where I came up with this simple stand-up. So this simple stand-up is interesting, and let me show you why it's interesting. And let me find you one. Here we go. So here are our little critters. This is on the simple stand-up. That big thanks comes with the simple stand-up, which it's like amazing in the size, right? So when you open this up and you let them peek, look, they pop up. Whoa, they pop up. So they're peeking over the simple stand-up. Isn't that awesome? See how it stands up like that? And look how beautiful those little pumpkins and sunflowers are on there. So thanks, and then it pops up just like that. Now, heads up. The belly button notch on this is in a little bit different of a spot. It's a little higher than our standard stand-ups, because we really wanted them to be able to stand up, the little critters. Now, can you use the layering die for our stand-ups? Absolutely. That just means the notch is going to be in a little bit of a different spot, but it's okay, right? Look at how cute that is. We're going to put that guy right there. Now, here it is. Now, remember when I said it came with that big word, thanks? Comes with a lot of big words. Thanks, my friend. Get well. Hello, my friend. So there's hello. So you can say hello, my friend. Thanks. You could just say my friend. Get well, my friend. Get well. Or just say my friend. Then these 2 little dies are very, very interesting. And I had a sample here. Oh, here it is. And look at how cool it says, I stand up. I stand up. So one of the dies says, I stand up. The other one says, I'm an easel card. So you can put that on the back of the cards so people know how to have them stand up. You're going to use those dies on all of our stand-up cards, right? All of them. So let's check out all these awesome samples that I have, because I have 1,000 billion, right? So here is a cute one. There's that big thanks again. Isn't that fantastic? You're going to use those words alone completely separately all the time. So I want you to store them. Don't store your words with the card base, right? Because you'll forget you have them. I want you to store your big thanks with your thank you dies. I want you to store your get well with your get well dies. I want you to store the hello with your hello dies. So you have that big, awesome sentiment to die cut. So that's that. So let's look at some of our peeking guys because they are so dang cute. So here is a little guy reading a book. This little puppy dog is reading a book. Isn't that awesome on a decal edge card? Here is a cute one. Watch these little guys. Are you ready? Hello. They're going to pop up. My friend. Is that just like adorable or what? I love it. Now here's that simple stand up. Hello, my friend. Isn't that awesome? Okay, here is our little doggy on a regular stand up. And look at all those talk bubbles, hugs. You've got this. Every day is a fresh start. Isn't that awesome? Where does that fresh start come from? Simple, oh, it doesn't say, but it's one of our die sets. Don't worry. Every day is a fresh start. Here's another one. Ooh, using our fairy collection. Look how cute that is. Hello. See, there's the hello. My, and then right here, friend. Isn't that cute? I love that. Ooh, here's one using bees. Oh, and Cheryl has it. I stand up on the back. So here we go. We're going to open this up. Thanks. We're going to open that up. Whoops, let's pop it up. There we go. Thanks, my friend. Isn't that awesome? Ooh, here's a Z-fold card. Look at this. This is the double Z-fold card. But look at how cute that is. It's like a little family. I just love it. It's like a little get-together. Isn't that cute? So fun. So, oh, we have tons more, you guys. Look at this. Get well. Love that. And then you have your spot to write a message. Here we go. Remember I was talking about the grid dies? Here is one of our grid dies. Oh, let's see if I can open this one. It's getting, there we go. There's a cute grid die. I feel like I saw another grid die. Maybe I did not. But there's a cute grid die right there. Now, these are also perfect for slimline. Look at how perfect this is. This is also using the square drop-in dice for the slimline, which is so fun. And then here's another one. Hello, friend. Perfect. So there's the words from the simple stand-up on a slimline using the cute little peeking critter. So easy peasy, right? And so much fun. Here's another one using those what is it called? The slimline dotted rectangles and the slimline square drop-in die. Look at how cute that is. Aren't they adorable? Just peeking out, ready to say hello. Or here's one, our brick stencil. Look how cute that is. Hello there. They're like over a little brick wall. So adorable. Or peeking through the window. Look at that. They're peeking through the window die. I love it. So cute. Or here's one. Here's a fun one. On the small scallop A2 drop-in card, let's pause and celebrate. Aren't they adorable, you guys? I'm freaking out. I'm just like in love with every single one. Hugs. Open it up. Look at this. Oh, here's our top fold. Remember, we just brought this one out. The top A2 fold. Look at how cute with those little flowers at the bottom. Hello there. Pausing to say hi. Or here's one where it's the whole enchilada. It's all the little guys. Aren't they adorable? So fun. Oh, here's one in our little farm fold it. I absolutely love that. So, oh, and I think I showed you this one already in the last one, but look how cute that one is. So my friends, run, don't walk. Run, don't walk. Get these extra critters to add to your collection. Get them now and thank me later. Let me tell you, because if you only have the first three, as soon as you sit down to play, you're going to say, darn it, I should have gotten those other two. So get them now so you are happy later. Okay? And club members, don't forget, you know the deal. Every single item, every single day, every single time you order, you are getting 15 to 20% off everything. No asterisk saying, oh, excludes this, blah, 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 blah. No, everything. Everything. That's it. Simple, right? Very simple. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And you know what? I want you to also go check out our gallery because it's amazing. We've updated it and it's beautiful. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.